Hi, I'm Brooke Sinclair, CEO and founder of Valorit, the automated supply chain platform for the import-export industry. I'm also co-founder of the Bias Rehab Center, and I'm here for Accessmatized. Accessmatized is a Black-owned beauty brand. Here we go. So, I've been carrying this in my purse for a few months now, and every time I try to sit down and do this, I've been like freaking out and like pausing, like this. You probably want to know what it says, huh? Okay, it says, okay. Oh, I saw this on Kev on Stage. He was like this. All right, Kiki Thunder. And it says HammerJacks Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is lovely. This is awesome. Thank you, Accessmatized. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for the opportunity to represent you and present your beautiful colors.